10-minute ab workout for beginners. For beginners, working out the abs is not always simple, though any movement that uses the abdominal muscles should be enough to help lose the belly and tone the torso. However, there are specific ab exercises that will make your effort more effective. In this video, we have a 10-minute ab workout for beginners that any newbie can use successfully to lose belly fat and tone their abs. This series of exercises can be done at home with only a mat, no equipment. It is composed of easy-to-follow yet extremely effective movements, so you can enjoy flatter abs in no time. To make the most out of this workout, do the following exercises in sequence. Once you're done, repeat for another set. When you begin, don't worry too much about how many you're doing per minute. Expect it to be hard, but all that matters is that you keep moving. Remember, you should do all ab exercises, so watch and master all the exercises. Abdominal crunches. On a mat, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet planted on the floor, around shoulder width apart. Lock your hands behind your head. Lift your body off the floor, being careful to use your abdominal muscles and not your neck or upper back. Hold your position at the top and slowly return to your starting position. Repeat for as many times as you can for 1 minute. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back with your legs lifted and bent at a 90-degree angle, as if you were resting your bent legs on a box. Lock your hands behind your head. Lift your upper body like the regular abdominal crunches. However, as you do so, simultaneously pull your hips up towards your chest. Then, simultaneously, lower your head and stretch your legs out. Repeat this for as many times as you can for 1 minute. Supermans. Lie on your stomach with your arms stretched overhead. Simultaneously, raise your arms and legs off the floor, as if you're flying like a superhero. Hold the position for 3 seconds before lowering your arms and legs to the starting position. Repeat this for as many times as you can for 1 minute. Cobras. Lie on your stomach with your elbows bent and hands flat on the mat, just under your shoulders. Push your upper body off the mat as far as you can, as if you're a cobra that's about to strike. Hold this position for 3 seconds before returning to the starting position. Repeat this for as many times as you can for 1 minute. Side planks. Lie on your left side, holding your upper body up with your forearm planted firmly on the mat, just below your shoulder. Stay stiff, as if in a plank, with your feet on top of each other, resting on the mat. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Repeat on the right side. In the beginning, this 10-minute ab workout for beginners will be difficult, and you might find it hard to go through all the exercises. However, all you need to do is keep at it. Don't pressure yourself to do too many repetitions per minute. Just do what you can and give yourself enough time to rest in between. As you get better and stronger, you'll find that you can do more reps per minute, and that you won't need breaks in between any longer. At that point, you'll also have those flatter abs you've worked for. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.